All right, so we got another Will It Mix video. We literally just go through Target and Walmart. And we see stuff and we're like, oh, we should try that. It doesn't always pan out, but sometimes it actually looks pretty cool. Stacy's picked out a few things, but we're only going to do one. So, what is the one thing we're going to do right now? She has decisions to make. What is this?
Crayola bath bombs.
The Crayola bath bomb? Okay. Like, these look pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see them. I don't know. Like, we're gonna... Dangerous. Do not try or attempt with the scissors. What we got? Let me see. Yeah.
They're kind of messy.
I already got crap all over. Stuff all over the table. Okay. I'm just gonna drop that right there. The little bath bombs. Okay. All right. So you're gonna do the white base.
Do I use it all?
Technically, probably. I think so because we have a ton right now. And then I'm gonna grab the clear. Okay, so. Like it doesn't.
You're dangerous. I was thinking that though. Okay, can you calm down over there?
Wait, I'm breaking it up.
You're scaring me.
Oh,
shoot!
shoot.
Look. You made a mess.
All right, hold on. Can I break it now with my fingers? Oh, yes. All right.
Okay.
We're working.
Why don't you just use the whole table?
My bad. Here, let me scoop.
Look, there's yellow.
Let me scoop all this up over here.
Oh, shoot. I'm moving the whole table.
Ooh.
So have your yellow back.
Oh, no. All right, so let's fold this into the slime. Actually,
See, mine's doing what I thought it would. It's like slowly dissolving.
It's dissolving it?
In the, because look, it's changing colors.
Yeah? I don't know. I feel like mine was a lot faster. Would you like the scissors?
Nope.
Okay. I was just, they're there if you need it.
You're appealing to the impatient crowd. I'm appealing to the patient crowd.
Okay. Mine's like watery now.
Well,
What in the world?
alright, give me the scissors, dang it.
Like, mine's like watery. That's crazy. That is You see this? Like, there's literally... It is... It's actually... It's like going down the arm.
Yeah, it is. Maybe we should have ended with this one.
Well, how you doing?
Good.
Okay.
I don't know what else you got going on over there.
A mess?
Mine is getting watery.
A mess?
You see that?
I see that. A mess?
Getting really watery.
That's not what I expected it to do.
I just landed on the,
Oh, the power cord?
Yeah.
Hold on. I didn't expect it to be so water. Like, you see this? Do you?
Oh, no.
You see the water coming out of this thing?
I don't want it to get on me.
All right. Well, let me see yours. It definitely did not. It like took all the stretchiness out of it.
It did.
It's like super hard to pull. Oh, all right. Yep. So what do we got? What we got? What we got? We got the Crayola color your bath bombs.
I mean, it definitely colors the water.
It definitely colored it. Like I did not expect it to be so watery.
Oh my god.
I just can't stop squeezing it.
I need some napkins.
All right, there you go. So, I think we're gonna say cool, but not what we expected. Probably a no. Kind of a cool activity. If you wanted to do it with your kids, again, I would definitely suggest getting like a tub or something to do this in. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. All the comments, all the likes. We'll see you in the next video. We gotta get this cleaned up now. Thank you guys. Have a great day.